Hello and welcome back to our next digital awareness module. Here we'll study RPA, that is Robotic Process Automation, along with its practical applications in a real life scenario. So let us begin to learn RPA through a very interesting conversation between Aditya and Shreya. Aditya and Shreya meet at a hospital to see one of their relatives. They both wait in the waiting area where Aditya is trying to book his ticket to Kochi. This is where their conversation begins. Good luck and happy learning.
I have been trying to book a ticket for Kochi since morning, but this is such a waste of time.
Let me see. I think there is some problem with the network. You book tickets online through the ABC website, isn't it?
Yes, I travel very often, and my family and other relatives also do. I have to book tickets online every other day.
I think you'll have to wait for some more time to book your ticket. But imagine if I ask you to just send a message in a fixed format to a specific mobile number mentioning details like train number, date, passenger details, and the station's names, and your tickets will be booked automatically with necessary precautions related to the payment details.
It will be very helpful indeed. I would love to use such provision, but is it really possible?
Of course, this is what comes under RPA, that is, Robotic Process Automation.
I see. I know what a robot is. It is a physical device which is developed to perform some predefined actions, like robots play football. Also, I heard that in some restaurants, robots are being used as waiters.
Yes, but those are physical or hardware robots. RPA is slightly different from these. However, the basic premise is the same, that is, eliminating manual intervention in tasks which are repetitive and clerical.
I didn't get you. Can you please elaborate?
Sure, tell me, how do you pay your electricity bill?
Earlier, I used to go to the electricity office and pay by cash. But now, on every second of the month, when I receive my bill on my mail, I log into electricity department's website and make payment through net banking.
So, you do this activity on every second of the month, right?
Yes,
Now, suppose if the account security and related aspects are taken care of, won't it be good if as soon as your bill arrives, a software runs on your machine, checks the bill amount, and if everything is okay, it automatically makes the payment from your account?
wow, it will be so helpful as it will save my time, which I can utilize somewhere else. Also, this will ensure that I never miss paying the bill.
All these are possible with RPA. Let me show you an article. Mimicking human actions to perform a sequence of steps that leads to a meaningful activity without any human intervention is known as robotic process automation. Robotic Process Automation, or RPA, allows organizations to automate tasks just like a human being doing them across application and systems. RPA can be used to automate workflow, infrastructure, back office processes, which are labor intensive. These software bots can interact with an in-house application, website, user portal, etc. But one thing to remember is that robotic process automation can be implemented only for rule-based systems. that are activities that need to be performed repetitively without any need of decision making. The main goal of robotics process automation process is to replace the repetitive and boring clerical tasks performed by humans with a virtual workforce.
Wow, I got that. Can you list some advantages of going for RPA?
Sure, here are some reasons why robotic process automation is advantageous. A human can work average 8 hours a day, whereas robots can work 24 hours without any tiredness. The average productivity of human is 60% with few errors as compared to robots' productivity which is 100% without any errors. Robots handle multiple tasks very well compared to a human being.
I wonder where can RPA be used?
Some general uses of RPA are emulates human action, emulates human execution of the repetitive process using various application and systems, conduct high volume repeated tasks. Robotics process automation can easily simulate rekeying of data from one system to another. It performs tasks like data entry, copying, and pasting. Perform multiple tasks. Operates multiple and complex tasks across multiple systems. This helps to process transactions, manipulate data, and send reports. Automated report generation automates the extraction of data to come up with accurate, effective, and timely reports.
Wow, it's so beneficial to go for RPA in every aspect of life. Can't we migrate all the processes that individuals or companies do to RPA?
No, we need to be careful which processes should be migrated to RPA. Following criteria helps in identifying the processes that should be taken to RPA. If the answer to all these questions is yes, then that process is the most suitable candidate for RPA.
Okay, can this healthcare industry work under RPA?
Definitely, RPA in healthcare increases the operational efficiency, productivity, and cost savviness.
That means we can turn manual clerical work automated.
Correct. RPA can make population health management feasible and sustainable. It can support in maintaining the checklist and patients database. Healthcare patients can now follow a standardized care path supported by RPA. If a patient deviates from the care plan, then the health providers can intervene. It supports labor saving in the field of medical record entries. It can improve billing efficiency. These were just a gist of all the uses available in the healthcare industry. There is no end to its applications.
That's so true.
So, let's have a quick knowledge check now. These were just a gist of all the uses available in the healthcare industry. There is no end to its applications.
That's so true.
So, let's have a quick knowledge check now.
Sure. So, what I understood is that RPA can't take care of a situation where some decision is to be taken.
Absolutely right. RPA is only for repeated and rule-based processes.
Wait, look at this game. It is automated and it helps to relax my mind. Also, I don't need another partner for playing it. Is it RPA?
No, Aditya. If you want software systems to take decisions on their own, then we need to go for what we call artificial intelligence or AI.
AI? I have heard this term before. What is it exactly?
Chess is a wonderful game. You must be exercising your mind a lot. But what about your phone? Does it also have a mind like you to think about every move it makes?
Smartphone is a device. I don't think it has a brain to think about any of the moves. I think it has been programmed to do so.
You are right. Machines do not have brains, but they are programmed to think like that. When machines take decisions based on the data fed into them, it is called artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence or AI enables performing tasks which normally require human intelligence such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and translation between languages.
Okay, so RPA is used where the process is repetitive and with a fixed flow. AI comes into the picture where some decisions need to be taken by the system.
You can say that. However, in some cases, if decision-making criteria is simple and rule-based, these can also be taken care of by RPA. AI is used for specific cases with complexities.
Okay, I think I have understood the RPA very well now. Thanks for educating me on this. I'm really glad to know about it. But before we close, can you mention some industries which are going for RPA and for what process?
Sure, why not? Let's have a short quiz first to check your understanding so far.
Yes, I'm ready for it. Which are going for RPA?
Have a short quiz first.
Yes, I'm ready for it.
So here are some cases in which industries are using RPA. As mentioned before, in healthcare its usage is in patient registration or billing. In the HR department, its usage is in new employee joining formalities, payroll processing, or hiring shortlisted candidates. In insurance companies, it helps in claims processing and clearance, or for premium information. In manufacturing or retail industry, it can help in billing of material and calculation of sales. In the telecom industry, its usage is in service order management and quality reporting. In the travel and logistics industry, it can help in ticket booking, passenger details, and accounting. In banking and financial services, it helps in cards activation, frauds claims, and discovery. In the government sector, it helps in change of address and license renewal. In infrastructure, its usage is in issues processing and account setup and communication.
This is a wonderful learning session. Thanks for all the information regarding RPA.
You're always welcome.
Thanks for all the information regarding RPA.
You're always welcome. I hope this was a wonderful learning experience for you. In the next module, we'll learn about cryptocurrency. See you there. Bye.